The final judgment of the court was read this afternoon by the acting Chief Justice, Stephen Kavuma. His colleagues Richard Butera, Faith Monda and Augustine Nishimye had all concurred that the 4 expelled MPs should lose their seats. Kavuma argued that the fate of the 4 lawmakers was sealed after they were expelled from the NRM party. He also ordered the lawmakers not to access parliamentary chambers and asked the Electoral Commission to conduct by-elections.
The 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th respondents are hereby ordered to vacate their seats in Parliament forthwith.
Earlier on in the morning, Justices Butera and Monda read their judgments. Butera, in his view, said that the Speaker of Parliament acted unconstitutionally by refusing to declare the seats vacant. The former DPP argued that the writing was on the wall after the MPs were expelled from the party, while Justice Monda said in the interest of democracy, the lawmakers should have vacated their seats.
Vacation of their seats was by operation of that constitutional article. They remained in Parliament as de facto independent members of Parliament with an unconstitutional status.
I conclude that the 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th respondents voluntarily, freely, deliberately, intentionally, by design, optionally, willingly left the petitioner in constitutional petition number 21 and consequently contravene the Constitution if they continue staying in Parliament.
However, Justice Remy Kasule read a dissenting judgment. Kasule differed with the views of his colleagues, saying the MPs cannot lose their seats upon expulsion from the NRM because they represent their constituencies regardless of political affiliation. Kasule said the Speaker was justified to let the MPs stay in Parliament after the expulsion from the NRM over indiscipline.
That the expulsion of a member of Parliament by his or her political party on whose ticket he or she was elected to Parliament does not automatically result in the parliamentary seat of that member becoming vacant. I refuse.
As it stands at the moment, court has finally spoken and made its judgment on the long-awaited case. However, the lawyers of the expelled MPs are vowed to challenge the case in the Supreme Court, but the lawyers of the NRM party have also said that these members of Parliament should vacate their seats with immediate effect, as court so orders.
We have no problem with the dissenting judgment of Honorable Remy Kasule, but we shall immediately lodge an appeal against the majority judgments.
We have precedents here, don't we? Once the court rules, the orders have to be respected. It happened in respect of the mayor, so it should also happen in respect of the MPs.
The expelled MPs were dragged to court after a petition filed by Chibuku MP Saleh Kamba and NRM party adherents Mariam Agasha and Joseph Kwesiga challenging the Speaker's ruling. Sohail Mugabi, NTV Weekend Edition.